Hi everyone, I thought I'd just do a little video with regards to us going away to the caravan this weekend and what it's cost us as a family of 5 to stay there for the weekend and enjoy it. However, these costs are probably more than we would normally spend as we did a few extra things. So, to start with, petrol was around £60. We need to get there and back, but we've still got petrol in the car, so that's not just for today. We did a food shop, which came to £70. Now, that is a lot more than we'd spend for sort of 3 days being there. That also included some bits for the caravan, like we brought some tea towels, we brought a drainer, we brought a few bits and pieces, so that's not fully what we'd need to buy every week. And then there was a meal out that Gavin the kids had, which came to £85.53, but that did include not just the meal, but it also included some ice creams and some drinks because they stayed for the entertainment afterwards. And the accommodation didn't cost us anything, which was amazing. We also did some activities for the kids, which came to £52. They did this Build-A-Bear type teddy bear with clothes, etc., which they absolutely loved, and that was a bit of a treat. And finally, there was the arcade. We let the kids go in the arcade, and that cost £30. We gave them £10 each to go and do that. Now, that comes to £297.53, which does sound a lot, but that could be brought down if we drop off doing some of the activities and the food out, etc. So I don't think it's bad. But anyway, have a good day. Bye.